So number 9, this is really important, and this is a fundamental thing that's really good to know about. So what's your time horizon and also the time efficiency? See, like, time is your greatest ally or can be your biggest enemy. If you have time on your side, you can almost do everything. So you can basically turn your whole financial situation around in 5 years. That's what I've discovered. So, don't be worried about where you are today. If you can make some changes, you'll really start to see a difference. You'll start to see a difference in 6 months. After a year, it'll progress even more. After 2 years, if you're on a good start and a good flow, it's really going to work out for you. And in 5 years, you will be startled at how much of a difference you can make. So don't worry about that. All you need 5 years. And also time efficiency. Know what's best for you, know what services are out there, and know how much time you have.